Hi guys, this is Varun Marathe and today I'm going to talk to you about the three apps which according to me are the best apps for having a wallpaper. Now, as we all know that displays of the phone are getting better and better, even cheaper phones are having great displays and almost everyone likes a good wallpaper. So Android has a lot of options for downloading those wallpapers, and today I'm going to talk about the three best apps which I think are very good for downloading wallpapers. So let's get started. Uh, I'll go from this descending order. I'll start from number three, which I think from this three, it's the app of Google basically. Now this app, we all know it's a basic app which comes from Google, and it has all the wallpapers which we actually see on the Google devices which are being launched. So all this collection is beautiful collection. It is getting updated timely, and all these wallpapers fit your screen perfectly, as you can see over here. And there is a wide collection of these wallpapers, but out of all this, which I personally like is the live wallpapers, because as we all know that recently when the Pixel 2 launched, they launched this amazing live wallpaper in which only the particular part of the wallpaper is animated, rest everything is still. So now what that does is it doesn't eat a lot of battery. Everyone likes live wallpapers, but because they eat a lot of battery, it's not convenient. But as you can see over here, only the waves part of this wallpaper is animated, everything else is static. It looks gorgeous when you set it on your phone, and yeah, it gives a very stylish design to your home screen. Now when we go back, there are three basic live wallpaper apps which are there, which are related to the landscape. It's look like a satellite. When we go in this, you can see that the cars and clouds are moving. If you see on the road closely, you can see the cars are moving and clouds are also moving slightly. And another one which we have over here in this, the hot air balloons, which you can see there are four of them. They are moving, and you can also see the minute details such as their shadows on the ground. So yeah, this is another great app. It is not big in size. It's around 6 MB, I guess, and it provides you with a wide collection of wallpapers which are mix of live as well as static. So do check this out. Now going back, we have another wallpaper over here, which is Wally. This wallpaper actually attracted me. This app actually attracted me because it mostly contains an abstract wallpapers. This is like works of many people, because when we go into the categories, you can see letter arts, animes, Pokemon, superhero, strange, Black Mirror. The categories which are there in this app are really amazing, because they are not the general categories which we see everywhere. So it is kind of an artwork which is there, and if you want artworks of various people to be your background, this I think this is a great app to have. uh, this app, as you can see, it has funny images, funny letter arts and whatnot. So it's a very great app to have. It has bifurcations as recent and popular, so that you can download one of the most popular wallpapers on it as well. And you can see there's a large collection of categories as well. As you go down, you see the general categories which are there, but when you see over here, this is usual it is a different kind of wallpaper app than all the other apps. Mostly it contains the abstract kind of wallpapers, so I think you should check this out. Going back, we have the third wallpaper over here. I actually have four wallpaper apps to show you. In this folder there's only three. Another one is there in the main drawer. This is another one, second number in my list. It's Ambulated wallpaper. Now this is actually more specifically targeted towards people or towards phones which are having AMOLED displays, because AMOLED displays have those crisp blacks and saturated colors and punchy colors. Now this is mostly for them. As you can see, majority of the section of these wallpapers are black in color, and when you will apply it, it is actually going to save a lot of battery as well. Now if you want to check how to save your battery on online, please click on the card which will appear just about now. This is another way of saving battery. So these are great wallpapers. As you can see, they're punchy red and the blacks are amazing over here, and when you apply it, it actually looks very great on the screen. All the fonts and all the icons are visible, and the wallpaper also gives a great image to your home screen. Now this also has a multiple categories. Now special categories of in this is 4K category, as you can see over here. It is only for premium phones, that is phones which are having 4K displays. Now apparently there's only one phone which is having 4K displays, but there are displays phones which are having 2K displays. So these wallpapers will actually help in that. When you click on this, you will see that this is more crisper than the one which we saw in other categories. So yeah, this is going to have a bigger size, but I think it is going to be great. And it also has, introducing Files Go, a huge collection of abstract wallpapers, I would say. Superhero collection, Captain America, Deadpool, and all those things. So please check this out. This is also one of the great apps if you want to have a wallpaper for your AMOLED phone. Now going back, the top app which I think is there right now in the Play Store is this. It is WallpapersCraft. Because the main thing is when you actually open the app, it adjusts its settings according to the resolution of your screen. Now what that does is when you're loading up your phone, you will get the wallpapers which are more suited for your resolution. Now I'll give you an example over here. This wallpaper, if you'll open, it will load. It will load generally, and it will actually give you the resolution which is there of your screen. Now look at this, how crisp this wallpaper is, and it is appearing full screen. There is no bars on top or bottom. And great thing about it is you can directly set it from here, or if you want to download it, you also get an option to download it in original 4K mode. Now these three options are available for all the wallpapers that you have. Some of the wallpapers are not in 4K, so for them you don't get the option of 4K, but most of them are, and it has wide range of collections. There are generally just three major groups over there on the main page, which is new. It's according to the ratings and according to the popularity. Now it's one of the greatest apps I have ever seen in my life, because firstly it caters to the needs of the individual. It adjusts its settings according to the resolution, so it will provide you the wallpaper which is going to look great on your display. And secondly, it has a large collection. It's a very huge collection of amazing looking wallpapers, and giving you the option of either downloading it in HD or 4K. And if you download it in 4K and on your 2K display, it will still look gorgeous and brilliant. Now these are the top four apps actually, which I wanted to talk to you about. And what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments. If you have any another app which I have missed and you wanted me to include, please write it in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.